In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to see hidden games on Steam. Whether you've accidentally hidden a game or just want to revisit some titles you've tucked away, retrieving them is simpler than you might think. With just a few clicks, you can access the hidden gems in your collection. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Steam app on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to download it from the official Steam website. Once installed, log into your account using your credentials. You should now be greeted by your library of games and a variety of other features Steam offers. Keep in mind that the layout might slightly differ depending on updates, but the process remains largely the same. Now, with your Steam app open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find several tabs, including one labeled View. Go ahead and click on this tab. The View tab is your gateway to managing how you see and organize your games, so it's always good to know what options are available here. Once you click on the View tab, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option titled Hidden Games. This is where any games you've previously hidden will be stored. Click on Hidden Games to reveal this list. And there you have it. You should now see a list of all the games you've hidden. This feature is particularly useful if you have a large library and want to keep things tidy by temporarily removing games from your main view. Remember, the Hidden Games list is not a permanent removal. It's more of a way to declutter your library while still keeping all your purchases intact and accessible. If you wish to unhide a game, simply right-click on the game you want to bring back to your main library. From the context menu that appears, select Remove from Hidden or a similar option depending on the current Steam interface updates. This will immediately restore the game to your primary library view. It's always good to periodically check your hidden games, especially if you're the kind of gamer who likes to try out new titles frequently. You might find a game you were excited to play but forgot about over time. In summary, accessing hidden games on Steam is a straightforward process. Open your Steam app, click on the View tab, then select Hidden Games. It's that simple. Whether you're trying to organize your library or rediscovering past favorites, this little trick can help you manage your collection more effectively. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and gaming guides. Keep exploring your gaming library and happy gaming.